This is the aluminum shackle mount from mile marker. One of the first things you're going to need to do to install it is to remove the existing hook. You can do this by removing the cotter pin and then remove the pin and remove the hook. Here we have the aluminum body. We have the shackle mount insert for cable. We have the shackle mount insert for rope. This is the backing body. These are the Allen screws. You will need to pick the correct one. In this particular application, we are using a rope. This is the insert for it. And then the backing plate goes onto it. Then you install the 4 screws. First thing you're going to want to do is to install the backing plate. Ensure that the backing plate is installed correctly. Then you will need to separate the insert to slide it over the rope and thimble. Then insert aluminum body then install backing plate, making sure that all holes are lined up before starting screws. Install all Allen screws. Tighten them securely. At this point, you're ready to install the shackle. Powering in the winch will secure the shackle mount and shackle together. Now that the shackle mount is properly mounted, you are ready to go.